So it's a nice day here, so I figured this morning to do the carb removal. It's still cold, so excuse my sniffing and everything. Got everything off relatively easily. Inspecting the frame, and it really is in quite excellent condition for its age. Granted, full of muck and just grime and grease and all that, but it's still not bad. So it's my understanding, I've checked this fuel tank out, it seems to be okay. I've also checked this fuel line, which also seems to be pretty good. I've just turned it to the off position because we're nearly got this little guy off. Yeah, I nearly know what these are. But yeah, it's all looking not too bad. Spark plug obviously just in the top there. Carburetor. The next video will probably be me cleaning the carburetor. This job only took me all of 10 minutes to do so far, so it's relatively simple to do for your home mechanic. It's just this. I want to see if this works or not. Yeah, so we'll get on with it. Nearly there with this. And just came out of that little hole just there. There must be a overflow or something like that. But this is grotty as. It will take some cleaning up to do. I imagine, although I'm not really sure I can video this, I will try that by taking this off, there will be still the remainder of that fuel to come out, and hopefully this shut off valve has shut that off. Yeah, okay, so it should just be a matter of just compressing that a little bit and hoping, wiggling it out a little bit. There we go, got some movement. Yep, definitely some fuel coming out of there. It seems to want to go clockwise and not anti-clockwise. I probably should have worn some gloves for this. Alright, so that's off. This just needs... There we go. A little bit of encouragement. Come on. Oh, you know you want to. There you go. There you go. And we are off. Oh, it's coming out easily enough. Yeah. So there's not any problems, blockages there. There we have it. One. Oh, there we go. Remainder of bad steel gas, probably. Smells like it. Yeah. One carburetor. Oh. I guess I have to shake this about a bit to try and get all the gas out. Okay. That is absolutely filthy. Gloves next time, definitely. So, a successful carb removal. Basically, the next stage is now to get up to the house and indoors and some warmth, and get this cleaned up. Well, I got the float bowl off, and the light's not, there we go, and it's looking a bit rough, as does, well, I mean, half the battle's that, but this tip here on the pilot jet, yeah, I'm trying to get a good picture of that, there we go, got to get that out, and then just see how we go from there. I reckon it's just this that's causing the problem, but yeah, because it's pretty clean otherwise. But yeah, we'll have a look. Right, definitely a two-handed job, but we have the pilot jet out, and we have this little bit of wire to take through it just to clean it. And with any luck, well, it might be one of our main problems.